Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Shreya, your computer science faculty. See, children, today let us start our next topic: types of software. See, children, you already know a computer system can be divided into two: hardware and software. Then, what is meant by hardware? The tangible components of a computer is called hardware. That is, the components that we can see and touch is called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, speaker, printer, etc. Then what about software? Yes, software is a set of programs. Software means the set of programs that govern the operations of a computer and make the hardware run. This one is called software. Okay, the set of program that govern the operations of a computer and make the hardware run. The software can be divided into two: system software and application software. Okay, software can be divided into two: system software and application software. Then first one, system software. Do you know what is system software? Have you heard about it? We already know computer is mere machine that knows nothing of itself. That means a computer works only on the basis of the instructions given by the user. So, system software means the software that controls internal computer operations is called system software. Clear? Once again, the software that controls internal computer operations is called system software. The system software is again divided into two: operating system and language processors. System software again divided into two: language processor and operating system. Then first one, operating system. See, children, the operating system is a familiar word to you, isn't it? Okay, now we are using different types of operating system: Windows, Android, okay, then Linux, Ubuntu. Different types of operating system we are using. So, what is meant by this operating system? Yes, operating system is a type of software that acts as an interface between user and computer. Okay, it acts as an interface between user and computer. There are different types of operating system: single user operating system, multi-user operating system, time sharing operating system, real-time operating system, multi-processing operating system and distributed operating system. Okay, these are the different types of operating system. So, we don't need to study this operating system in detail. That is beyond our scope of the syllabus. Okay, then our next topic is language processor. Do you know what is language processor? See, the language processors are also a type of software that is used to convert a high-level language into machine-level language. Clear? Language processors are used to convert a high-level language into machine-level language or a source code into object code. Then what is meant by source code? Source code means the code written by the users in high-level language. That is by using C, C++, Java, etc. The code written by using high-level language is called source code. And machine code or object code means computer understandable code. Okay, that one is machine level language or binary language or binary code. Clear? So, the language processors are used to convert source code into object code or high level language into low level language or machine level language. There are three types of language processors. First one, assembler. Second one, interpreter, and third one, compiler. Then first one, assembler. This language processor converts the program written in assembly language into machine language. Once again, assembler converts the program written in assembly language into machine language. Second one, interpreter. An interpreter is a type of system software that translates and executes instructions written in a computer program line by line or unit by unit. Third one, compiler. A compiler is another type of system software that translates and executes instructions written in a computer program in one go. See children, here interpreter and compiler both are used to translate high-level language into machine-level language. But interpreter converts line by line, but compiler converts in one go. That's why compiler is slower than interpreter or interpreter is faster than compiler. So these are the types of system software, operating system and language processes. Operating system means the type of software which acts as an interface between computer, hardware and the user. And language processes are used to convert a source code into object code or high level language into machine level language. Clear? Then our next topic is application software. Okay, first one system software and second one application software. What is meant by application software? See children, the software that is specially designed for some purpose is called application software. Okay, the software which are specially designed to perform some specific task is called application software. For example, see the database used in the railway station. See, can we use the railway station software in our school? No. Okay. See, the software which are used in railway stations only to use in the railway station. Okay. But the software that we designed to use in school is only for the school. Clear? That is the software that is specially designed for a specific task is called the application software. Application software are again divided into four. That is packages, utility software, customized software and developer tools. Okay. Out of these, you need to study only utilities software. Other three are beyond our syllabus. Utilities means these are the type of application programs that assist the computer by performing housekeeping functions like backing up disks or scanning or cleaning viruses or arranging information, etc. Some commonly used utilities are text editor, backup utility, compression utility, disk fragmenter and antivirus software. So children, you just study only the names, no need to study in detail. Okay children, now I believe you all have understood the topics that we have discussed today. See children, study well from your home. Now our first lesson is over. Here I am attach the notes. Please copy into a notebook and send into the mail. Okay, then see you again on next class. Till then, take care. Bye.